Hi, this is Mr. Reyes here to show you that math is a skill that you can learn. We are going to learn about vertical angles today, and for that you are desperately going to need a piece of paper. So if you do not have a piece of paper, please pause the video, go get one right now. I'll be here when you get back, I promise. And you're going to want to draw these angles yourself at some point so that you have your own reference sheet that you can use on the assignment today. It's going to make it easy. I want to make it easy. So vertical angles are the angles that are right across from each other. So we could say A and B, they go across the intersection. They are vertical angles. Okay? And this is the important thing about vertical angles that we need to know. They are equal in their degrees of measure. So A equals B. So to do an example of that, we could look here and, oh yeah, by the way, sometimes they will have this little line right here that's curved, kind of part of a circle in the angles when they are vertical, but sometimes they will not. Like, see the difference between this and this? The important thing is they're across from each other, not that they have a little circle. So looking at this, what is the measure of angle B? Okay, so now if we go back, remember, vertical angles are equal. So it's quite simple. B equals 85 degrees. And now here, let's try to find out which angles are equal to each other. Pause the video and see if you can figure out which ones are vertical angles. All right, so if you said W and T are vertical angles, that's correct. Or T and W, doesn't matter which order you say them in. Also V and Q are vertical angles as well. So the thing you don't want to do is you don't want to get mixed up and say, oh, W and Q, those are vertical angles. Don't say that. They're not vertical angles, and they're not equal. Okay, so I'll go back to the top one. And if you're not feeling creative for your notes, just copy this exactly as it is. If you are feeling creative, try to make up your own vertical angles. Draw them yourself, and you're going to remember all the better for that reason.